The Raspberry Pi comes pre-configured with a lot of default settings, but in this video we're going to learn how to change some of those settings, like the default password. Start by opening up Terminal and logging onto the Pi using SSH. Enter the password. Now once we're on the Raspberry Pi, type in sudo raspi-config. We will see a blue screen with a bunch of different options in the center. The up and down arrows can be used to move through the different options, and the left and right will take us to select or finish. This is the raspi-config tool. It helps us configure the most common settings on the Raspberry Pi. We can do things like change the keyboard layout or the country code, or enable the camera or SSH, or even do things like overclock the Raspberry Pi to run even faster. But we're just going to be using it to change the default password and the hostname. Make sure the Change User Password option is highlighted and hit Enter. Now hit Enter again and enter a brand new password for your Raspberry Pi. Make sure you keep it simple enough so that you remember, but complicated enough that no one will be able to guess it. And you'll have to enter it twice and hit Enter. Now hit Enter again and your password is now changed. The next thing we want to do is change the hostname, so arrow down to Network Options and hit Enter. Now hit Enter on the hostname option. We want to create a hostname that's a little bit more specific than Raspberry Pi, so rename this to whatever you like, but as you can see on this screen, they can only contain ASCII letters, digits 0 through 9, and the hyphen. It also has to be 63 characters or less in length. So I'm going to name mine Sam's Pi. Then arrow down to OK and hit Enter. Then hit the right arrow to select Finish. Changing the hostname requires the Raspberry Pi to restart, so select Yes for this and allow the Raspberry Pi to restart now. We're going to wait about a minute for this to reboot, and then we can log back in to see the changes. So it's been about a minute, so I'm going to try logging in again using SSH. But this time, the username is still Pi, but the host name is now Sam's Pi. Hit Enter. Then I'll have to re-verify that I want to connect to this Pi. So I'll type yes. And now the password I'm going to type in is the new password that I just created. And now I'm logged in to Pi at Sam's Pi. In this lesson, we learnt about the raspi-config tool, and we used it to change the default hostname and password on the Pi. This secures our Pi a little bit as it makes it difficult for someone else to log into it, and it means that every time we log into our Pi using SSH from now on, we'll have to use these new settings.